The Bitcoin ETF launch day was a spectacle, with Bitcoin reaching a peak of $49,000. But the crypto market, as always, had a surprise up its sleeve. The high didn't last long, and we saw Bitcoin take a sharp turn back to the $40,000 range. This wild swing from peak to dip has left everyone guessing and speculating. It's like a suspense thriller with everyone on the edge of their seats. The big question now is, where is BTC headed next? Responses to Bitcoin's recent price movements have been divided. The crypto market seems to be at a crossroads. There are those who see this dip as a healthy retest of support levels, a standard event in a continuing upward trend. Yet there's another camp that anticipates a longer-term stagnation, predicting that Bitcoin could hover around its recent local top for a while. It's a classic standoff between the optimists and skeptics, the bulls and bears. The bulls and bears are in a bit of a tug-of-war here. While the market takes a breather, there are potential catalysts on the horizon. The US macroeconomic data, for instance, is currently in a bit of a resting phase. But keep an eye on it, as any significant changes could send ripples through the Bitcoin market. Meanwhile, all eyes are on the Federal Reserve. Their interest rate decision, slated for the end of this month, could be a game changer. So hold on to your hats, folks. We're waiting for the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision at the end of the month. Speculative traders seem to be catching their breath after offloading billions in BTC at a loss last week. The ETF launch sent shockwaves through the market, pushing many to their limits. It was a wild ride that left traders feeling as if they'd just endured a marathon. And now, they're taking a much-needed pause. This exhaustion is palpable as the market slows, reflecting a collective recuperation. It's like everyone needed a moment to recover from the ETF excitement. Price predictions for Bitcoin are as varied as they come. With the current market volatility, analysts are divided on the future trajectory of Bitcoin. Some are optimistic, predicting a retest of the resistance level in the near future, while others are more conservative, warning that we could see Bitcoin slide back to the mid-$30,000 range. And there's even a more cautious faction that is talking about potential macro lows around $12,000. This wide range of predictions paints a picture of a market that is very much uncertain. It's like trying to predict the weather in a city known for its 4 seasons in a day. You never really know what's coming next. So, as we navigate the unpredictable seas of the crypto market, one thing is clear. The only certainty in Bitcoin's price predictions is uncertainty itself. The uncertainty is real. While Bitcoin takes a breather, Ethereum is making moves. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, has been silently climbing the ladder, with its ratio to Bitcoin, the ETH-BTC pair, showing signs of strength. It seems Ethereum is not just playing catch-up but is carving out its own path. What's fueling this? Well, there's speculation around the launch of an Ethereum ETF, similar to what we've seen with Bitcoin. The idea of an Ethereum ETF has been met with a lot of excitement, and for good reason. It would offer investors a more accessible way to get exposure to Ethereum without having to hold the actual cryptocurrency. But there's more. There's a looming $1.35 billion in fresh open interest on Ethereum. This suggests that traders are anticipating significant price movement in the near future. There's a lot of excitement around a possible Ethereum ETF. And that's the latest in the crypto world. We've taken a wild ride on the Bitcoin roller coaster, from price swings to market sentiment, and even caught a glimpse of Ethereum's surge. Now we want to hear from you. What's your take on all this? Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this ride. Subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay updated with all things crypto. Until next time,